Delighted to be here today to celebrate International Women's Day, which is all around accelerating action. Really pleased that we've managed to have so many women from our communities and beyond our communities to be able to talk about what we started to talk about last year, which is around uterine health or womb health. So I'm really looking forward to some really good conversations.
In celebration of International Women's Day, we're here to meet these wonderful women that have contributed enormously to the community.
We're just looking forward to a great day, and thank you very much for the organisation.
Happy International Women's Day 2025.
Medical students living in this country, in my opinion, I'll say they don't have adequate exposure. They should have their placements in Africa. Let them go to Caribbean for their placements and see what culture feels like. This will give them more empathy in their practice. When they come back, they will have a more listening ear. They will remember their struggles.
So we wanted to talk this time about womb health, but the technological advances as well, and how do we make sure that black women are part of the conversation.
Just focusing in on some of the things that we do in Trafford as a council, but critically with our partners, to really try and tackle those inequalities and to celebrate that work and the brilliant work that we're hearing about today as part of International Women's Day.
And the third thing, which they don't usually do in research, is to interview policymakers. Because if we find that this works, we want to make sure that policymakers will listen and implement.
Okay, but my key takeaways to you are all, just keep speaking to each other. Speak to your trusted healthcare professionals. If you can't find one, that's why CAHN exists on the Saturday morning at 11 o'clock. But don't suffer in silence.
I think it's really important to raise awareness for our patients coming through the system, for women coming through our system, so that they're able to understand all the options that are available to them. And this moves me on to sickle cell fertility and pre-implantation genetic testing.
It's very important to me that I'm actually listening to the people of Manchester, especially when we look at the health inequalities, especially when we look at our neighbourhoods that are poor and people that are not able to get the employment that they need.
And that's why we really want to work with CAHN to make sure that we are sending out the right information, that we are giving you the information that we work. We also know that there are new treatments for fibroids, and we have to ensure these are NICE approved treatments, and we have to ensure that these treatments are available to all women.
Over the past year as Mayor of Trafford, I've had the honour of attending many CAHN events. Often these were led by some of the most inspirational women I've ever met. It's clear to see action and change in progress by these dedicated women. It's been a privilege to listen to you all and learn from you, and unexpectedly to dance with you.
Attended the event today to celebrate International Women's Day with CAHN. Such an excellent and informative event. I've really learned so much from everyone that's attended, especially hearing all the stories and everyone's personal journeys. And I've really loved the food, the jollof rice, and also I've really loved the music and dancing as well.
We've just finished attending CAHN's International Women's Day event. It's been a really, really inspirational event. So many amazing performances, so many amazing speeches. We even got up to dance on stage at one point, probably unfortunately. We did try our very best. But it's been great, it's been wonderful. It's been so great to hear from so many different women about the troubles they face, and also their determination and plans for the future.
But it's just to say massive thanks to all of you who are here. You know, some have left earlier on, dignitaries for taking time out, but it's been a wonderful day, and we want to say massive thanks to you, those who keep supporting us. So can we put our hands together for all of yourselves?